Take a look at some student work from number 5 of your workshop. On Monday, Snappy's Cafe served 229 lunches. On Tuesday, they served 305 lunches. On Wednesday, they served 125 lunches. How many more lunches did Snappy's Cafe serve on Monday and Wednesday than on Tuesday? Take a look at how student A and B represented this problem. We are just focusing on their representations and thinking, which representation more accurately matches what's happening in the story? Think for 45 seconds and then make your decision. Do you agree with student A or B? When you know, write your letter down and take notes on why you agree with the student that you do. When I say show, get ready to show me A or B, tall above your head. Get ready. Show. I see some of you agree with student A and some of you agree with student B. Let's talk about it. If you agree with student A, why? I heard you say you agree with student A because they showed a representation that shows us putting together the amount of lunches served on Wednesday and Monday first, and then subtracting the lunches served on Tuesday from the total of Monday and Wednesday combined. If we subtract Tuesday from Monday and Wednesday combined, we will get how many more lunches they served on Monday and Wednesday, or the difference. Interesting. If you agree with student B, why? Say your answer out loud. I heard you say you agree with student B because we can add the amounts served on Monday and Wednesday together, and that will tell us how many more lunches they served than on Tuesday. Who do you agree with now, and why? If you said student A, you're correct. This representation better matches the story because it shows the more than one event or step that's happening in our problem. In our problem, it asks us to compare Tuesday's amount to Monday and Wednesday's by asking us how many more were served on Monday and Wednesday than on Tuesday. Since we don't already know how many were served on Monday and Wednesday together, that's a step that we need to take first. Once we know how many were served on Monday and Wednesday combined, we can subtract Tuesday's amount to find the difference. What mistake did student B make? Say your answer out loud. That's exactly right. Student B did not think about which two amounts we were comparing, and they read the words how many more and thought that if they added Monday and Wednesday, that would tell them how many more. Their representation does not accurately show the relationship between Monday and Wednesday and Tuesday's amounts. In the problem, which amount should be larger, Monday and Wednesdays or Tuesdays? That's right. It's Monday and Wednesdays because the problem tells us. It says how many more lunches were served on Monday and Wednesday than on Tuesday. Make sure that when we are reading problems in context, we're paying attention to what the question is asking us so that we can recognize whether or not it's a comparison. When the question is asking us how many more, less, greater, or smaller, that tells us that we're comparing two amounts. Our representations have to match that comparison. So if the problem says one amount has more, our representation also has to show that. When we compare, we have to ask ourselves, which amount has more? How do I know that? And does my representation show that? Student A realized that Monday and Wednesday had more because the problem told us, and made sure that they showed Monday and Wednesday as the total, or the larger amount.